Hi everyone. Before recording this video, I just want to tell you that I just came from my 9 to 5 job. I'm recording this video. I did few rehearsals. I deleted many videos. I tried to say something, and because I don't have a script, so it means that I just want to convey that I am one of like you. It's my day first, and I'm going to show you exactly what I am doing step by step. I'm not a course seller. I'm not going to ask for any Discord course or to follow me or to comment this and I will show you how. I am very straight forward person, and I am recording this video to show you exactly. I did bought courses. I bought YouTube course for so many bucks. I paid $300 for one Amazon guy, and I bought the course. He sold that course to 23,000 students. Imagine $7 million he earned just from that course. But that course is fine. But the thing is, you can find the same thing on YouTube. Why not to do it for free when you can earn and learn for free without paying to someone? So here I came to a conclusion that I'm not going to sell course on anyone, and I want to give it to you for free. So currently, if you see my YouTube channel, it's just a raw YouTube channel, same like you guys have, with no subscribers, no followers, and no course material, since it's my day first. And I'm really shy to look into the camera, to be honest. That's why I just realized that I'm looking here and there. So I will be showing you exactly step by step all the procedures, whatever I am doing, how I am selling online, and how I will grow. And I want you guys to follow and see what I am doing, because I'm not going to charge you anything. I'm not going to sell you any course. I will show you exactly what I am doing. If I am going to win or lose, I will start my e-commerce business, and different platforms like eBay, Amazon, and in Gulf region there is a very emerging new site that is called Noon. Plus I will be selling on Facebook marketplace as well, on TikTok ads. I will run TikTok ads for my products. Currently the registration of my online store, as per this country's e-commerce body, it's under the registration. So I'm waiting for the registration, since we submitted the name today. So soon the registration, and then they will approve the name, and then we will pay for the registration fee, and we will register our company officially with the government, and then so we can sell it on. So I will try to import products from different countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, China, wherever I find something cheap and a good quality, and we will try to sell it online. And I will show you every day the results of my store, if I have time to show it every day. I am same like you guys, 9 to 5 job, but I'm trying to break this cycle because I'm tired with this 9 to 5 job. I want to have my own business. So I'm starting with the side hustle. And I'm sorry, I'm not looking into the camera, I'm looking here and there. Sorry, I will be getting used to it. Hopefully you guys will stay with me and follow me and support me, and you guys can have questions, suggestions, whatever you have. If I am doing anything wrong, you guys can correct me. Maybe you know better than me. Sometimes I cannot say that I am right always or 100% right. If I am doing something, we will teach and learn, and we will grow together from each other. So I'm waiting for the comment section. Where are you guys looking from, which country, and what are your suggestions, so we can grow and help each other and grow together and earn money. Because since the shopping, online selling, everything is changing to a modern, to the way, like like e-commerce world, no one is now anymore going to malls and stores to buy things in person. People are lazy, they want everything at home. So this market will be a big market worldwide, and people are shifting. So we have to, this is still, we have time, we can still join and come into e-commerce store. Sorry, my English accent would be bad, you might not like it, and but I am new to this, to upload and share this journey. Hopefully we all will grow together, and you guys can share suggestion if you like or dislike. I'm open to anything. Thank you so much. See you in the next vlog.